Hey friends, let's quickly talk about some eyeshadow colors. I want to show you some of the palettes that we have available. I'm going to show you these three. The fourth one grew legs and walked off. And that's our Vivid palette. It's got a lot of the big, bold, bright colors and it's beautiful. This is our Wanderlust palette. It's got a lot of different shades in it for all types of eyes. We've also got this Iconic palette, and this is going to have a lot of your neutrals, but it's also going to have some bada bing in it also. And then the last one is going to be the Glam Up palette, and it's exactly as it says. It's the glammy one. It's going to have most of your neutrals for a more glam subtle look so that you can pop your makeup look with your lipstick, a more boom look. So, which one is best for you? Which one will work best with your skin type, skin tone, age, etc.? Every single one. Wear what you like. It doesn't matter what everybody else says. If you like colors, I don't care if you're 60, put the colors on your face. If you're 20 and you like to look neutral, use the neutral looks. Just because you're young doesn't mean that you have to wear vibrant makeup. It's whatever you like. It does not matter. There are no rules when it comes to makeup. Colors, etc. Wear what you like. So I am going to show you really quick an easy makeup look, and I'm just going to pick a palette. I'm going to pick this one right here. I'm going to show you how easy this can be. I'm going to use my fingers. And I'm actually going to pick out 3 different colors on my fingers. I'm going to do a dark color, I'm going to do a neutral color, and I'm going to do a light color. And you want to put your colors on dark to light, dark to light. So here we go. I'm going to use En Fuego as my dark color. That's this one right here. Then for my mid-tone color, I am going to use Dusty Rose. She's right there. And then for my light color, I'm going to use Magnolia. She's right there. Okay, and all I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do makeup. You don't have to overthink this. I'm going to go like this. Woo! I need more En Fuego. I put it all on the other eye. I'm just going to put a little line there. Look how easy that was. Just a straight line, and it's basically going to go from the outside of my eyebrow to the inside of my eye. And then my next color, I'm going to put next to that on each side. Make sure I got enough product down there. And then my light color, I'm going to put on the inside. Look how professional that was. The answer is it's not. It's not professional. But it doesn't have to be. Too many women overthink. It kind of looks like a peacock. Or a turkey at Thanksgiving that your children make, and they got the fingers, and all the fingers have the different colored feathers on them. Yeah, that's what this looks like. I'm trying to get it really, really heavy on here so y'all can see it. I look like a clown in my mirror, but that's okay. But I want you all to be able to see how easy this is. Okay, there's 3 colors. We've got our turkey feathers going on. Ooh, that's falling off my face like crazy. Now I'm just going to take a blending brush like this, and I'm going to blend it from the inside out. I'm going that way because if I go from the outside in, those dark colors are going to go towards the middle of my eye, and I don't want them to do that because I want to keep the light color there. And I'm just going to go in circles. Very lightly. Windshield wash it a little bit. And all you're going to do is just blend this out. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Looks good. And then I'm going to take a smaller precision brush, if I can find one. This will have to do. It's just a little flat brush. And I'm going to take that dark color that we started with, the Sin Fuego right here. I'm just going to get a little bit on my brush and I'm just going to pull it under my eye. I take it up here just so I've got a nice straight line. But this doesn't have to be overthought. And then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. And that's pretty much where I end it. I've got dark to light transition. There's like a little spot here that's not blending out. I don't know what's going on with that, but it don't matter because nobody's going to see it once you slap on your eyeliner and your mascara. It's all going to pull in together. But that's as easy as eyeshadow can be. You don't have to overcomplicate it. So if you want to try any of these palettes, let me know. Send me a message and let me know which one you would like to try and I can get you hooked up. If you aren't sure which colors you would like to use, like I said, wear whatever you want. If something was appealing to you, this one or this one, this is one of my favorites, clearly, or this one. Try it. Try it, try it, try it. Step out of the box. Do something big and grand for you, and I guarantee you'll be beautiful. Let me know if I can help you out. Have a good day.